Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to see what are the inbuilt function we have while we deal with the matrices and arrays. If you haven't seen my previous videos, you can simply click on the side button that you can see on the upper right corner. Now, we will see what are the inbuilt function that MATLAB has given us. So if I declare a variable a, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I press enter, I can see its elements on the command window. Now I have the elements of the variable a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I want to check the length of my variable a, for that I will simply use a MATLAB inbuilt function called length. Inside the brackets I will write the name of my variable and I can see it is saying that the length of my variable a is 5. That means I have 5 elements inside the variable a. So now I am modifying the matrix A. I am giving it another row 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now if I want to check the size of it, what I will write size size inside bracket I will write A and I will see it is a 2 by 5 matrix. Yeah. Now I also suppose if I am writing A, I have the contents on the command window. Now what I want to do, it is a 2 by 5 matrix that we earlier see. But now what I want to resize this matrix. I want a 5 by 2 matrix out of my current existing variable A. So what I will do, I will write reshape my variable A into a 5 by 2 matrix. Now what I can see is, as I did not assign this particular command to a variable, MATLAB has allotted this particular command to a new variable defined as answers by itself. So now answer is now a reshaped version of our current existing variable A. Now we also have another existing inbuilt function while we deal with arrays is a diagonal. Suppose I am writing a variable, suppose v I am writing, I am giving v equals to, I would say 5, 6, 9. I will press enter, I will see v has 5, 6 and 9 as its elements. Now what I want to do, I want to create a matrix which has 5, 6, 9 as the diagonal elements. So what I can simply do is I can write DIAG inside brackets. I will write V and I can see that I have created a matrix with the diagonal elements as 5, 6 and 9 and rest of the elements that we did not define are defined by default as 0. So these are some of the important MATLAB inbuilt function while we deal with arrays. So now with this, I think we have finished up like how do we create the matrices and arrays. Now I would like to solve a question for you all. So now I will just clear the workspace and the command window as well so that we can proceed further with the question. Clear CLC to clear the command window. Now I have a question here. I will open it outside MATLAB and then we'll proceed to solve it. Yeah. So this is the question that we have to solve. First, you can pause the video and can start reading the question and try to solve it on your own. I will solve it right now for your reference. So if you want to do it on your own, you can start doing it. I will just solve it. So I will just minimize it. I will undock the command window so that we can see all the content that we are writing clearly. I will open up my this. Yes. In this example, we have a soda can, which is already at a temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So what we are doing is we are shifting this soda can, we are placing it inside a refrigerator which has an inside temperature of 38 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have to check what will be the temperature of the can, then we are keeping it inside the refrigerator for 3 hours. We are assuming that the value of constant k, which is equals to 0.45. So what we have to do in this question is we have to define all the variables and find out the temperature after t equals to 3 hours. So this t is when after the temperature of can after 3 hours. This Ts is the temperature of the refrigerator. This T naught is the present temperature of the can and K value we have given and T is 3 hours. So now I have already defined the variables Ts, T naught, T the time which is 3 hours, K the value of constant and this T is the temperature of the can after 3 hours. So I have already defined these variables for you all, and now we can see that the temperature of can after we put it for 3 hours inside the refrigerator, the temperature of the can would be 59.25 degrees Fahrenheit. So in this way you can proceed with the questions. If you guys have any doubt regarding the question that I just saw, please feel free to write it down on the comment section. I hope you guys found it useful. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.